Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna see the unboxing of our new purchase, the LG OLED. My husband and I decided to leave the unboxing to the professional, therefore we're here to observe how they do it. Here are the inclusions, remote control information. What's this? The sticker shows 160 kilowatts per 1,000 hours. Product QR codes. And the safety and regulatory booklet. We also asked them to install the Wi-Fi for us.
Okay.
And we also request them to take our old television since we do not know where to dispose it, and they're too nice and agreed to take it with them. We also told them that we wanted to keep the box for our future house move if ever.
Adios.
And here are the quick description of LG OLED. So, 2021 new. It amazes me how the technology these days shapes how we live today. Look at this, how thin it is. Wow! Now we're gonna try the remote control. These are the free application list. And you can scroll it like a computer mouse. Is that neat? And we can check our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Del's Journal. Please subscribe. I will try this driving game. I'm not good on this actually. That's why I let my husband drive. Oops. 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 Oh no, 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 no. Oops, I'm gonna crash. Oh. Okay, I need to stop here. But it's addicting. My son will love this for sure. Now we're gonna try to watch a movie. And it's 3 in the afternoon right now. So I need to close this curtain and switch off the light, and we'll find out how good is LG OLED. Wow, look at the colors and the sound as if you're inside the cinema. Popcorn, please.
How can you complain about that picture?
Yeah, I like that.
Fantastic. Yeah, because the older one. The very latest one has an Evo at the end. Has what? Has a thing called Evo at the end. LG OLED Evo. It's supposed to be the best so far.